That's what I am passionate about. That's what gives me a kick, you know, just being an actor. When you can dabble with different genre and try to excel in each and everything that you are doing, and with different directors who have very different opinion about cinema and direction. So it's a challenge for an actor to fit into all of these interpretations and opinions and come out feeling happy that you've given your best and you've done well. I was just shooting in Hyderabad till last night, and there were many Telugu directors who met me. As soon as I have something really interesting, exciting, till then there are Telugu directors who are making things in Hindi. I'll work with them.
How does it feel to be Shrikant Tiwari again?
I personally love playing this character. Yeah. Also because it has everything about a human being. All the faults, all the advantages and disadvantages of every human being. I think इसीलिए लोग ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं कि ये श्रीकांत तिवारी हर किसी के पिता के जैसा भी लगता है, हर किसी के पति के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी के दोस्त के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी का कंपेनियन, हर किसी का कुलीग भी लगता है. So I think Shrikant Tiwari is also any guy who is traveling in the metro here, or any guy who is going in the car, in the traffic. I think that's the biggest strength of the character.
या फिर मनोज जी जो है, अगर वो श्रीकांत जैसे सिचुएशन में होते, तो वो रुकमा जैसे थ्रेट को कैसे हैंडल करते?
दोस्त बना लेता.
देख लिया हमने.
You're forgetting that I'm also a Bihari. we use brain most of the time, more than the broad. मेरी बेटी, उसको तो बचपन से पता है कि मैं एक एक्टर हूँ. तो मैं क्या बोलूँ, मतलब it's a very natural thing, but for her it's very natural that I'm out for shooting. It's very natural for her that that Papa goes out to make some living out of something that he really loves, and she respects it. She admires whatever she sees of me, and she's a big fan of Family Man, and she's a big fan of Sharif Hashmi more than me.
Oh.
Shrikant is getting too tough to handle. So we had Musa in the first,
Yes.
Sajid. It was all a nexus, and then we had Raji and the whole the group. This time we really had to crack our brains to come up with this antagonist. We didn't realize that we were creating big antagonists each time. I didn't realize we were doing Dhoom each time.
Sure.
But then we realized that we better have something that's very formidable for Shrikant and the team. And we thought of Beauty and the Brains, or like Beauty and Brawn. Or like Brains and Brawn, I got it right. Brains and Brawn. So I thought that was a good split between them in terms of how somebody can trap an intelligence unit, an intelligence agent. So yeah, that was the thought behind it.